Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have a square root of 3 times x plus a square root of 4 times x, this is equals to x. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x and x belongs to real number. Look carefully, we have a square root of 3x plus a square root of 4x and this is equals to x. Now if we take square both sides, then in left hand side this square root is cancelled out by this square. So in left hand side we have here 3x plus square root of 4x and this is equals to x square. Now square root of 4x and this is equals to x square. If we take this 3x in right hand side, then this is minus 3x. Here square root of 4x and this is equals to, in right hand side we have x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x. In left hand side we have a square root, so just take square both side. Then in left hand side this square root is cancelled out by this square. Then here 4x and this is equals to, here if we apply a minus b whole square, and we know that a minus b whole square, this is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now if we apply this identity in right hand side, then this is x square bracket power 2 minus 2 times x square times 3 times x plus 3x whole square. In left hand side we have 4x and in right hand side here if we apply this rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule, then this expression is same as x power 4 minus 2 is multiplied by 3, then you will get 6. X square is multiplied by this x, then here x power 3 plus 3x square is 9x square. If we take all the expressions in same side, then x power 4 minus 6x power 3 plus 9x square minus 4x and this is equals to 0. Look carefully in left hand side, here if we take common x, then x power 4 divided by x, then here x power 3 minus 6x power 3 divided by x, then here 6x power 2 plus 9x square is divided by x, then here 9x minus, and here minus 4x divided by x, then here minus 4 and this is equals to 0. Now in left hand side we have x times x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 6x square plus 9x and minus 4. This is equals to 0. Here if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then this expression is a and this expression is b. So here we can say x is equals to 0 or x power 3 minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4, this is equals to 0. Let's say this is first solution and this is x1, this is equals to 0. We have an cubic equation x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4, this is equals to 0. So first we will make factor in left hand side. Here if we substitute x is equals to 4, then 4 power 3 minus 6, x is replaced by 4 power 2 plus 9 and this x is replaced by 4 minus 4. 4 power 3 is 64 minus 4 square is 16, 16 times 6 is 96 plus 9 times 4 is 36 minus 4. Now if we add 64 plus 36 is 100 minus 96 minus 4 is minus 100, and 100 minus 100, this is equals to 0. So here we can say x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 is a solution. Then you can say x minus 4 is a factor. Now cubic equation is x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4. X cube minus 6x square, x cube minus 6x square, and here plus 9x minus 4 plus 9x minus 4 divided by x minus 4. Here x square, this x square is multiplied by x, then here x power 3. X square is multiplied by minus 4, then here minus 4x square. Here minus and here plus. This is plus x cube and this is minus x cube is cancelled out. Here minus 6x square and here plus 4x square. This is minus 2x square and plus 9x minus 4. Now here if we take minus 2x and minus 2x is multiplied by x, then here minus 2x square and minus 2x is multiplied by minus 4, then here plus 8x, here plus and here minus. This expression is cancelled out because first expression is negative and second expression is positive. 9x minus 8x is x minus 4. Here if we take 1 and 1 is multiplied by x minus 4, then here x minus 4. Here negative sign and here positive sign. This and this is cancel out each other. So we have a cubic equation x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4 plus 9x minus 4, this is equals to 0, and factor of this cubic equation is x minus 4 is multiplied by x square minus 2x plus 1, x square minus 2x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Here this expression is a and this expression is b. If we apply this rule, then you can say x minus 4, this is equals to 0, or x square minus 2x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Then value of x is equals to 4. So our second solution x2, this is equals to 4. This is a quadratic equation in terms of x, which is x square minus 2x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we will apply middle term split. X square minus 2x is minus x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common x in first two terms, then x square divided by x, then here x, and minus x divided by x, then here minus 1. And look carefully, last two terms, if we take common minus 1, then minus x divided by minus 1, then here x, and plus 1 divided by minus 1, then here minus 1, and this is equals to 0. We have x minus 1 here and here. If we take common x minus 1, then you will get here x minus 1, and this is equals to 0. X minus 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole squared, and this is equals to 0. Now here if we apply this rule, if a square, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. If you apply this rule here, then you can say x minus 1, this is equals to 0, then value of x is equals to 1. So our third solution x3, this is equals to 1. Here we have three solutions. x1, first solution, this is equals to 0, and the second solution x is equals to 4, x2, this is equals to 4, and third solution x3, this is equals to 1. Now check all the solutions in given question, and we have a given equation is square root of 3x plus square root of 4 times x, this is equals to x. Here square root of 3x plus square root of 4x and this is equals to x. Then square root of, now first we will check this first solution. 3x is replaced by 0 plus square root of 4 and this x is replaced by 0 and this is equals to x is replaced by 0. Then square root of 3 times 0 is 0 plus here 0 and this is equals to 0. If you solve this expression, then you will get here 0 and this is equals to 0. Then here you can say x1. It means first solution is 0. Now check our second solution. Square root of 3 times x is replaced by 4 plus square root of 4 times and this x is replaced by also 4. And this is equals to, in right hand side, x and value of x is 4. Then square root of 3 times 4 is 12 plus and square root of 4 times 4 is square root of 16 and this is equals to 4. Then square root of, here question mark, 12 plus square root of 16 is 4 and this is equals to 4. 12 plus 4 is 16 and this is equals to 4 and value of square root of 16 is 4, this is equals to 4. Here left hand side and right hand side both are equal, so here we can say second solution is x2, this is equals to 4. Now check x3. x3 which is equals to 1. x3 this is equals to 1. And given equation is square root of 4x plus square root of 3x. And this is equals to x. Substitute x is equals to 1. Then square root of 4 times x is replaced by 1 plus square root of 3 and x is replaced by 1, this is equals to 1. Square root of 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 times 1 is 3, so here is square root of 3 and this is equals to 1. Here this expression and this number both are not equal, so here third solution is rejected, because if you substitute x is equals to 1 in given question, then left hand side and right hand side are not equal, so this solution is rejected. So we have only two solutions. First solution, this is x1 is equals to 0 and second solution x2, this is equals to 4. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.